Hi YouTube.
Hey YouTube friends and family, it's your boy GB Reviews, and today we are doing another home chef meal. We're gonna do an adobo chicken enchilada. Super simple. It takes about 50 minutes to do because you have to put it in the oven, but to prepare the ingredients is actually super quick. And so we're gonna go through it. This is a chicken adobo enchilada. I'm gonna go through the steps that we have to do. I'll show you the ingredients, and then we'll do everything really quickly so you can see how things are done. And then we'll get to the last bit, which is the plating, and then we'll taste it and see what we come up with. But anyway, this should be simple, good. I've not tried enchiladas before in terms of making them. I've had them before, but I've not made them before. And so I'm excited. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a slight modification. They have cheddar cheese in here. I'm gonna do some cheddar cheese, plus I'm gonna do some pepper jack cheese just because I want it to be a little bit hotter. And that's the nice part about these home chef meals, is that you can modify them the way you need to. But with that, we're gonna transition to looking at the ingredients. So we're looking at the ingredients. Like I said, we have the chicken fillets. We have 13 ounces of chicken fillets, 1 jalapeno pepper, 1 red onion. We have taco seasoning, which they sent, 2 things of sour cream, 3 ounces of corn kernels. We have cheddar cheese, some flour tortillas, and then red enchilada sauce. And then, like I said, I'm gonna add in about a cup and a half to 2 cups of pepper jack cheese, 2 cups of pepper jack cheese. And then we're gonna prepare everything. But like I said, I'm gonna go through prepare everything really quickly. I'm not gonna show you that on camera, but just know that you have to dice this. You're only gonna use half your red onion. And then for your jalapeno pepper, you're gonna cut it in half, and then you're gonna dice half, and then the other half you're gonna have in rings. So when you finish, it'll look like that. You'll have diced jalapenos on the inside, and you'll have rings on the outside. But we're gonna go through the ingredients and go through the steps now. So there's only 5 steps to this. We're gonna basically prepare the ingredients, which I'm gonna do off camera. We're gonna cook the chicken. I will show you that. 5 to 7 minutes per side. Then you have to shred it. Then you're gonna cook your vegetables and your chicken together. And then you're gonna form them into enchiladas and put them into an 8-inch casserole pan. I'm gonna use a metal pan just because it's easier to store in my refrigerator. And then we're gonna bake our enchiladas and finish the dish off. So it's super simple, super quick. So we're gonna get into dicing, and then the next time we'll come back on camera, you'll see me preparing the chicken. All right, let's go. So now we're gonna heat our pan, and we're gonna cook our chicken. So you need 1 tablespoon of olive oil to your pan, to your pan that's medium-high heat. And we're just gonna do 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And then we're gonna add our chicken, and we're gonna brown our chicken 5 to 7 minutes per side. So remember, 5 to 7 minutes per side. You know when the oil is hot when it moves around your pan. And then I'm not gonna talk anymore, we'll speed this up, but it's 5 to 7 minutes per side. And you wanna make sure it's an internal temperature of 165 when it's all said and done. So we made it to the final steps. As you can see, it's fully plated, and you saw the video of me plating it, so now you know how to plate it. But it came out pretty well. It took me much longer than 45 minutes only because of the moving parts, cameras, and things like that. But it will take you about 45 minutes. It's pretty easy. The things that take a long time are just things that just have to take a long time. Like you have to wait 5 minutes per side for your chicken, depending on how thick the breasts are. And you know, when you put it in the oven, you have to make sure that you cook it for 15 minutes covered, as you saw in the video. And then another 5 minutes to finalize everything uncovered. So it's just things like that. So that alone is 20 minutes, just solid time that you cannot erase. You can't speed up or anything like that. So with that, we're gonna try it. The chicken adobo tacos, it looks kind of like the plating, I guess. Mine came out better, I think. I used hot cheese too. So let's check it out. Let's see what it tastes like. And then the proof will be in the pudding. So as they say. That's really good. Now, what I will say is that because I used a metal pan versus a glass baking dish or casserole dish, getting them out to plate was a little bit more challenging than I thought because they stuck a little bit. But that being said, it wasn't bad. It was pretty straightforward and easy. I like the mix of things. It's like a simple meal. Like you're basically rolling up your meat and your vegetables and everything all in the same thing. And that makes it easy. It's a great dish for Taco Tuesday, so just remember that. Anyway, we're gonna get out of here. I'm gonna eat this. Hit the like button for the algorithm. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not. Please hit the notification bell so you can see when I put out more meals. And then please leave comments below because we always want to find out if you like the meals, if you think you could do the meals, if you've done them already, if there's other things you want me to cook. And with that, it's your boy GB Reviews. Please subscribe and like below. Out.
Subscribe right below.